Yeah, next. Okay, this is what I was talking about, non-motorized transport strategy. What they want is, there's a big debate on this issue. Okay. They were thinking in terms of, okay, let's go for metro. Okay, metro, and then there were insistence on tram. Let's bring the tram back to this place, because no other city except Calcutta, no other city has brought it. So it's more cost effective and this thing. So they're rethinking on these nodes. These are all the nodes which they want to develop. Now if I superimpose these nodes on the density pattern, okay, now there's a varying density emerges in all these places. The bigger the thing, this is a central park. Okay, now this is another park. So what they want to do, they want to keep these nodes as a small parks and islands. Now what happens in certain areas is high density, certain areas low density. And where the high density is there, definitely the park will not be maintained properly. So that question also raised, how to overcome these nodes and the density which is emerging. Okay, because they have put some of the high income group in this area. And within the high income group also the density varies a little bit. Okay, so whereas they have only small spaces, high income group definitely demands more and more larger space, open spaces, but it's not given. Whereas in these places, as and when you go towards the secretariat, the open spaces becomes more. Okay, so that is also being, asked them to rework on that. Waterfront, what we have suggested is in terms of, see right now if you go to Ibrahimpatnam, there is a lot of traffic that crosses. So we suggested that, okay, you have more jetties, at least till the capital is being constructed. Okay, that was well taken, and they said, okay, they will incorporate this particular aspect also. And so that the Ben Circle and other bridge areas are not congested in the future. Now this doesn't match that triangle which you have seen. You can see here, this triangle is this side, that triangle is here, connecting this here. Okay, so it's an inverted, little bit tilted triangle. So I don't know about how the Vastu is implemented here. Now given the shortest time, whatever the Singapore team has done is good work. They have assembled everything data and then tried to put in a new concept, a new thing. Okay, that is something which is really good. Within a short time they are able to grasp the problem and grasp the various concepts and trying to put it. Now I'll put it this way, that this is a work in progress. Now probably they had to redo, they rediscuss, take it to the people, because it's a people's city, a people's capital. So we can try to project it among the people and then different stakeholders and try to see what is that concept, whether the people accept it or not, whether various stakeholders accept it or not. Probably we'll have a major debate on this for, let's say, for about 15 days or 20 days, and then go back to the Singapore team and say these are all the things, wishes of the people, and try to change whatever is possible. Otherwise, within a given short time, the regional plan as well as this plan, we need to see some more details how it is workable. Okay, some kind of implementation plan which we need, so that we can comment more detail in terms of what's happening in this field and how it will affect and how it will build a capital which is futuristic in nature. Okay, so that's what my quick reaction to this whole thing is. Thank you.